What is up, guys? I am here, and today we're doing part 4 of the Let's Play. And I did tons of off-camera work. So I was chopping down some trees, and I got some saplings, and I planted them because I had some bone meal and just somewhere. And this is. That was dangerous. Okay, and it's early in the morning. It's 9:10. So yeah. Now finished the house. I'm not gonna add anything like, the windows, because I don't really need to, because nothing not gonna be coming up here. So excuse me. This is how you get down and up. Not built. Well, not really built. I'm about to die. Ooh. It's a little tricky, but I get the hang of it. See? So when my sister joined, she could see, like, I'm the only house with a giant tree on it. Yeah, and I added some leaves under it so it didn't look like it was floating. So I used all my shears. So what do you think I should do in this episode? This episode is just me talking about what I did off camera. So basically, I just built me a house, added like a tree on top of it, fixed the vines and the leaves and stuff, and that's basically what I did. Well, peace, guys. See you next one, and leave down in the comments what should I do in the next episode. Like, should I go caving or build something else, expand the house? Leave in the comments. Peace.